Personal finance, types of bank accounts, checking, savings, CD and MMA. Most Americans have at least one active bank account. According to a recent survey from the Federal Reserve Bank, more than 80% of US adults are fully banked, and most don't regularly use alternative sources of personal funding such as payday loans or money orders. Bank accounts are very beneficial, and there are several different types of accounts. If you are looking to open a bank account, whether for the very first time or a different account from what you currently have, it's important to understand your options. Top 4 different types of bank accounts. Bank accounts are used to store personal funds and are insured by the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, FDIC, or National Credit Union Administration, NCUA. If the bank or credit union goes out of business, your money is protected up to $250,000. If you are unsure of the differences between a checking and a saving account or how a money market account works, read on the Learn More here what you need to know about the most common types of bank accounts. Checking account. Checking accounts are primarily used for spending purposes. For example, you might use a checking account when you set up automatic bill payments or write personal checks. If you have a debit card, the money typically gets withdrawn from a checking account every time you make a purchase. Unlike some other types of bank accounts, most checking accounts accrue very little interest. Some checking accounts have no interest at all. Another thing to know about checking accounts is just there is something a monthly maintenance fee which you must pay to keep the account open. Numerous banks have begun offering high interest checking accounts as a means for consumers to maximize their earning while simultaneously enjoying the convenience and functionality that comes with a checking account. One good example is Contact High Interest Checking, with benefits consumers with a 1.10% interest rate and does not charge any monthly fees on overdraft protection, NSF, money order, and several other bank services. In today's rapidly evolving banking landscape, financial institutions have recognized the importance of catering to diverse customer needs beyond the traditional checking accounts. They now offer specialized accounts option tailored to specific audience. Students, for instance, can choose from college or graduate checking accounts with unique benefits suited to their educational journeys. Kids can access specialized debit card accounts, encouraging financial literacy from a young age. Businesses are also well served with dedicated checking accounts designed to meet the unique financial needs of entrepreneurs, providing features like merchant services and business-oriented perks. Additionally, joint accounts are available for couples and shared finances, offering seamless management of household finances. This increased personalization ensure that individuals, families, and business alike can find the perfect checking account to align with their financial goals and lifestyles, making banking a more inclusive and accessible experience for all. Saving account. As the name suggests, savings accounts are typically used to store money that you don't need to access or spend right away. The biggest benefit to a savings account, especially with high interest savings accounts, is that you can earn interest and grow your money without doing anything. The interest rate is called the annual percentage yield, APY, and it varies based on market conditions. Before you open a saving account, it's a good idea to check what fees you will have to pay. Some saving account charge a monthly maintenance fee or